That's how it feels when you play your characters. You gotta play them more. So you can do the cool shit with your characters. Let's not talk about Drake Capano. Fucking dressing up like girls with ponytails and shit, wearing lipstick.
I'm comboing! No. Code, you saw that, right? I comboed this nigga in the corner on some bullshit. I was whipping and whipping.
Yeah, that was cool. But sadly to tell you this, he wasn't taking. So that combo wasn't true. It was a cool combo, but he wasn't taking. All you had to do was just hold the button and you would attack.
No, I got after stream, I gotta go and clip that. That was beautiful.
You can still do that combo.